Yeah, hi. Recently we have seen that the Kantara Chapter 1 movie have crossed 500 crore benchmark. In this we are going to try the convergence between Kantara movie and the Constitution of India. Some stories come from the soil and some from the Constitution. Kantara movie is the reflection of both. It's not just a movie about a village and a deity. Rather, it's a courtroom between the faith and the state, land and the law, spirit and the statue. When the government says, this forest is ours, and Shiva shouts in the movie, this land belongs to our ancestors, it's not the rebellion. Rather, that's the Constitution of India's hidden heartbeat. It echoes Article 244 and 5th Schedule of India, which protects the land of the tribal masses and their way of life. It is also the cry of Article 300, capital A, which says no person shall be deprived of his property except by authority of law. The soil in Kantara isn't just the dirt, it's a constitutional right with the roots. Apart from this, it also reflects the spirit of Article 25. When the villagers in Kantara movie performs bhoota kola, that ritual, they are living Article 25, the right to freedom of religion. Their worship of the forest is their daiva, and it is protected by Article 29 subclause 1 of Indian Constitution, which talks about the right to preserve distinct culture. Their dance in the firelight, that's the constitutional breathing through tradition. The officers, apart from this, you might have seen the scene that the officer in uniform, which were there, forest officers and all, they were representing the modern state, the laws, boundaries, forest protection, files and all. While the Shiva, it represents the ancient spirit, roots, ritual, traditions, remembrance and all. It's the same conflict which the Supreme Court faced in the Niyamgiri Hill case of 2013, wherein the court had said, let the Gram Sabha decide if mining violates their faith or not. And at the end, faith defeated the prophet, and the Niyamgiri Hills had been given back to the native tribal people. And that's the Kantara in real life. And at the end, when the spirit of the Daiva enters the Shiva at the end, it's not the superstition, rather it's a symbolism. Okay, it's justice itself rising from the soil, and it reminds that the Constitution isn't just a book logged in Delhi. It lives wherever the people fight for the dignity. Thank you so much.